Welcome to Africa, where children go to school and spend all day carrying blocks, working in the farm, digging hole for the headmaster. And they will suffer like this and graduate from the university and there will be no work. Welcome to Africa. This is the slavery that we are inside. We're not even free from slavery. Look at those American children in nursery school, primary school. They are already fixing things. They are already engineers with a good future. Who cares Africa? In America.
Hello, my people. Hello, everyone. Hello, my family. I greet you all. This is your sister, your girl, your friend. Please, if you like what we are doing here, please subscribe. It's always free. Join us, guys. Today, I just want to drop a little video for you guys. It's not that long, but this video, you know, as long as we are human beings, we keep on talking to our government, we will keep on telling them what is going on, we will keep on crying on their head until they get sense. Okay, until they get sense how our people, what is going on in Nigeria especially. I don't want to mention other countries, because if you come to Nigeria, everything done jaga jaga, everything done scatter. People will go to school, no work. Many bad things are happening in Nigeria. If you are from Nigeria, you are proud of that country. I don't really know. As for me, I don't think so, because the more we pray, the more things are still happening. More bad things are happening in that country. Many things are happening in Nigeria. May God help us, because our politicians, they no one get sense. Our politicians, they don't want to even hear what is going on, whether they don't even understand the cry of the poor people. They don't understand how people are crying in that country. How can we get a leader that don't even care for his people, for your own people, for your own citizens? You're allowing them to be dying like rats. No one can go to good school. When you are sick, you're on your own. When anything happens to a member of your family, nobody is coming out to ask. This is abomination. God is not happy with the Nigeria government. I will not lie you. God is not happy with our Nigeria government, because the kind of government we have in this country, since I was born and now I'm getting old, I'm going to say I'm getting more young. I've never seen this kind of government in my life. This is the worst and worst government I have ever seen in this country called Nigeria. Any day, if you wake up, you just be praying to God. You don't know what is going to happen to you. Even chicken and goats are, even their lives are more safe in that country. I just want to drop this video for you guys. It may look funny and it may look like laughing thing, but this boy keep on crying what is happening in Nigeria. What this boy is saying is very, very truth. If you don't believe this boy, it's like this thing is really, I don't know whether it's only me that is crying for this country. I don't know whether it's only me that feeling the pain people are going through in that country. I don't know how. God, please help your children, because Nigeria is spoiled. The Nigeria we know before is not this Nigeria. Oh, things are happening. This boy, if you want to watch this more of this boy, you can see his, they call him town crier. You can check him on Facebook. I don't know if he's on YouTube. Please make sure that you check it so that you can watch more of his video. This boy keep on crying, keep on talking something. When he's saying, people don't understand. People think he just comedy, but he's saying the reality. He's saying the reality. Things are happening in that country. Please, guys, I want to leave this video for you guys to see. This is exactly what is going on in Nigeria. If you are from another country that is watching us, please put our country, Nigeria, in prayer for us. Please. Thank you, guys. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.
Welcome to Africa, where children go to school and spend all day carrying blocks, working in the farm, digging hole for the headmaster. And they will suffer like this and graduate from the university and there will be no work. Welcome to Africa. This is the slavery that we are inside. When I get free from slavery. Look at those American children. In nursing school, primary school, they are already fixing things. They are already engineers with a good future. Who cares Africa? In America, you will see 15 to 20 students in a class. They come to Africa. More than 100 students in one class. Teacher is teaching. Nobody is hearing anything. Instead of you to introduce computer science and technology to our children when they are still small, they will just send them to the farm to have plant beans and clear grass. Instead of you to give manual labor to our children to go and build bicycle or build something at home, they will send them to go and bring manure, carry goat shit, carry pig shit and bring to school. Because Africa, we are in American school, but we are drawing the grasshopper and drawing frog. In America, they are busy operating on goats. When we graduate, we turn to artists. Ayo, ayo. It's your boy, DJ, 7 years in American school. Because Africa. We have copied everything from the white man. We have copied their way of marriage, white wedding. We have copied their Christianity. We have carried it on our head. But we cannot copy their way of development, their way of industrialization. We cannot copy the good thing from the white man. Who calls Africa? Why can't we emulate good? This rubbish must stop. We cannot keep living like this. Graduates are now bike riders. Graduates are now working on POS. In America, they graduate at least 36,000 engineers in a year. Same in China. Welcome to Africa. Only Nigeria alone, they produce more than 200,000 pastors in 1 month. Who cares Africa? Everybody is now a man of God. Papa this, Papa that. Every street is only church. One street, 50 church. Who cannot keep living like this? Man of God, when you were in school, God did not call you. You don't need to be a man of God. Poverty make you a top pastor. Because you want to hustle, you top pastor. Africa, I beg.